Hey guys, I'm Jacqueline.
And I'm Marcella.
And we're about to watch the Clone Wars. So this is our second time ever watching the Clone Wars, but we read all of your comments and you guys were telling us to watch it in chronological order. And that's the way that we want to do it because we want to understand the plot and we want it to tie in really good with the movie.
Yeah, I feel like it would be more enjoyable for us too if we could like, it could be told in order and we could actually like follow along with the story instead of kind of having it be like scattered, I guess.
Exactly. So first episode, the second episode that we're watching, I guess, is gonna be season 2, episode 16.
Yeah.
This is really weird for us.
I feel like this is so strange. Like I wanted to just put on the second one, but I feel like it's better for us to do chrono. Let us know if this is like totally wrong what we're doing.
Please help us get through the Clone Wars because we want to watch it the correct way. But I'm pretty sure that's what the majority of you guys said, is to do it in chronological order. Yeah, a lot of you guys sent us that awesome website that had it listed, and that is what we're following. And the first episode that it listed was 216, so we're just gonna follow that
and use it as like kind of like a guide.
Yeah, so I'm really excited to see Anakin.
Yeah,
I think I'm most excited.
We're so excited to see Anakin.
Yes, let's watch.
Under the command of Jedi Knight
Anakin. He's hot.
He is. Cartoon Anakin's hot.
Our life has come to.
Senator Organa.
I'm so here for Anakin.
This is gonna be one short rescue mission.
Oh my.
Oh yes.
He's a cartoon. How is it hot?
I love it.
Ship is bearing down on us. Overfire all reactors. We're gonna blow right past this guy, whoever he is. General, a Republic cruiser is coming out of hyperspace. Obi-Wan.
Obi-Wan!
Looks like General Skywalker's already engaged the enemy.
That's nothing out of the ordinary, especially since I gave him a direct order not to. We'll cover their retreat as they escape behind the moon.
How have we never seen this?
I can't believe we've never seen this. Oh my god. I'm living for this.
What about this new weapon? You're looking at it. I'm looking at what? 2 steps forward and you'd actually be kissing it. It's a stealth gel. Some trick? Let's hope the Separatists think so. So I assume scanners can't detect it. As far as we know, but this is the first real field test. That's encouraging. Oh, I'm still the delivery boy? We don't need the whole fleet. I can do this myself. Anakin, slow down. No. It's more important to survive than destroy ships. I need you to continue the Mercy mission.
Oh.
They made his jawline so defined. Like, do you see how chiseled his face is? It's a freaking cartoon.
The hottest cartoon ever.
Oh, for real though.
No.
This is so fucking intense.
I know.
You missed us. They don't know we're here.
They're heading to P.O Box and the command center. They're going to bomb it.
Oh.
Enemy General Kenobi.
We are under attack by the Separatists. They're coming by air and by ground. We can't hold out any longer. There's little chance of a survival. Help us, General. You're our only hope.
Get me Anakin.
Stop it.
I've just spoken to the Senator. They're in dire
Oh my
need of
god.
our help. Continue with your mission to the planet's surface. I will engage Trench's fleet with the ships I already have.
General Kenobi, with all due respect, you do not have the resources to engage Trench openly. He wants you to attack. You'll be walking into a trap.
He's right, Master. You won't stand a chance.
Anakin, I've got enough problems without you becoming one of them. Get those supplies to the
That just described the relationship.
The tactic won't work. Prep torpedo tubes 1 through 4. Fixed range on Trench's command ship.
Sir?
You've heard me out.
Oh.
We need to destroy Trench, and this ship has the best chance of doing it.
I want those supplies on the surface now.
Don't worry, I'm on it.
Listen to Anakin.
All I want is for Trench to think about us instead of the people on the planet below. It's time to introduce ourselves.
I'm loving this so much.
Disengage cloaking device.
Oh.
Ship. Fire.
Yes, Anakin.
Yes.
Torpedoes locked and closing.
Activate the shields. Foolish Republic scum! Your puny torpedoes are no match for my thermal shields. Prepare to fire all cannons! Well, that did little good.
Recloaking in 9, 8,
Fire!
6, 5. Pilot, drop the flares.
Too late, General!
Launch flares. And cloak.
Oh.
Anakin, you're so smart.
That was very clever.
I see it. Hello, ugly.
If you will listen,
I love Anakin.
I really hope you know what you're doing.
So do I, Admiral.
they are turning around.
General, cloaking device is active, but they're locked onto a magnetic signature.
They took the bait. Turn off the cloaking device. Divert all power to the engines.
He's so smart.
He has made it right for us.
Can't! Raise the shield!
Why am I attracted to a cartoon? Like, what has become my life?
What is? I know.
I hate to admit it, but good job, Anakin.
Yay!
Have fun. I'll be delivering the supplies to the surface, Master.
No, I cannot argue with our results.
Well, you'll find I like to do things differently from time to time.
Indeed. The Chancellor mentioned as much, though he insisted it was the highest compliment.
This is amazing. This is great. That was so cool.
We just had so much fun watching that.
I love that so much. I am so happy that we just discovered this and we're gonna be watching with you guys.
We're so excited
to
keep
so
watching,
excited.
guys. And Anakin is really hot.
He's
and
so hot.
He's very in character, and so is Obi-Wan. And yeah, I just loved it. I thought it was a great storyline this episode. It was really cool.
I did. I really liked that the ship, the cloaking device, I thought it was really cool. And I love the writing of it. And I love that the characters, they're so great still. And like the writing is so awesome and it's just very on point. And obviously at the end it's George Lucas, so what can you expect? I love the writing and how witty Anakin is.
Yeah,
and I love his conversations with Obi-Wan were great. And I loved I really liked seeing Bail Organa in this one too, because eventually you know who he, like, that's Leia's father, really. Like, he ends up raising Leia.
Yeah. And
so I did like having him in there too. And there was the scene when he said to Obi-Wan, "You're our only hope."
Oh my gosh.
Great one.
I love it that was thrown in there.
Yeah, that was good. Overall, we loved the plot of this too. It was very fast-paced, very action-packed, but it was easy to follow though. Like, it was so good and a lot of fun, and we are so excited to be watching it in chronological order. So the next one is 217, and then I think that it's the Clone Wars movies, and then we're gonna go to season 3 or something. I don't know. We're gonna follow the list that you guys sent us, and
yeah. So let us know if that's what we should be doing. I'm pretty sure it is, but if you have any like objections to that, let us know. If you have any other suggestions. But yeah, let us know what you thought of this episode.
Yeah, we're gonna be throwing these reactions out there like all the time, so you can expect these, because we're just gonna be like,
yeah, they're gonna be put up like randomly whenever we can.
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, let's talk about this episode though down in the comments below.
Yes, and if you enjoyed this reaction, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more of these reactions.
You can also follow us on Twitter, Snapchat, and Stardust. We are at City of the Feels.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye!